All right, so in this video, I'm going to talk about product pricing and how to choose a product price point for your product. I always recommend that you should price products within $5 price tiers and always use multiples of 5, and the end number should always be 0.99. This is just what, in my experience, converts the best. I mean, like $29.99, there's been like plenty of studies that this $29.99 will convert better than if it was, say, $30 flat. Same as this, like $34.99 will convert better than if it was $35. So having a 99 at the end, in like consumer psychology, it just makes it appear like the product price is less. So this is how I recommend you structure your product price points, right? And even this goes up to like $100, right? So if it was $100, you'd want 99.99. So yeah, it just goes up in $5 multiples. Okay, so now that's clear. How do we choose the right price for the product, right? Because we need to choose a competitive price in order for our ads to be displayed in Google Shopping and get a high rank. So what I normally do, right? So say the product that we want to sell is pregnancy pillow. So I've typed in pregnancy pillow in Google. These are the top 5 results that it's showing me, right? So Acquire Gear, that's a dropshipping store. And they've got the first spot and their product price is $49.97. So what I recommend you do, right, is you want to take the average price of the 5 top positions, right? So let's go, I'm going to add all these prices up and then divide them by 5 to get the average. So 49.97 plus 35 plus 79.95 plus 12 plus 39.99 equals 216 divided by 5, right? So $43. Okay, so we've got $43 as like the optimal price to fit in here. If we put $43, it doesn't automatically mean that we're going to appear in the top 5 because that's to do on a number of things like quality score, your bid, ad rank. So anyway, we've got like a base number here, right? But I've also said that potentially when you're testing products, it's better to lower the price if the margins allow. So when I say if margins allow, we still want at least a $10 profit margin, ideally a $20 profit margin. So if we go on to AliExpress, this is the product that their stats is appearing in spot 1, right? So they're selling it for $49.97 and it costs them $19.74, right? And our ideal price we want to sell it is $43. So if we were to sell this product at, say, $39.99, we'd still make a $20 profit margin on this product, right? So what I'm going to do is, because we're testing it, I'm going to take it down a price tier and I'm going to sell it for $34.99, right? So 34.99 minus 19.74, because we're going to get $15 profit from that if we sell it at $34.99. And I'm happy with that because right now we're in the product testing phase, right? If this product starts selling, then I would increase the price to $39.99 and see if there's a change in conversion rate. So like $15, it's a decent margin if you're just testing a product, because that product at $34.99 would be more competitive, say if we priced it at $39.99. And that would mean that we had the second most cheapest product here, right? Because you can see, like, if we price it at $34.99, it would be below this one, this one, this one, and this one. So I definitely price it at $34.99. So I would go ahead and check the price for each product that you're testing and try to get at least a $10 profit margin. And so just remember, if that product starts selling and you've priced it at $34.99, always know that you can increase the price to the next tier. And usually the conversion rate won't change that much. So I always start off just selling a little bit cheaper and then bring the price up later.